Hello and welcome back to Rich's Home Mechanics. As you can see, I've got my workshop organised. I've got myself some benches and as you can see along the top and along the bottom, I'm ready to go. My tools are ready to go and I'm really itching to get these videos going. As you can see over here, I've got my compressor going. I've got all my compressor tools ready to go. And down here, as you can see, my MIG weld is going to come out of retirement. So we're going to maybe get a mower or a piece of equipment, chop a bit out and put some patching in and weld it and spray it. That could be a potential project. Who knows? Who knows what's around the corner? Over here, back on this bad boy. In my previous little short, we've got this as a non-runner. I know it's been abused. I know it's a commercial one. It's been used commercially, so I know it's worked very, very hard. We're going to rip this bad boy apart. We're going to do all sorts of testing. We are going to do the valves. We are going to do the ignition. We are going to do the fuel. We're going to check the drive. We're going to check the oil. We're going to check the carburetor. We are going to check everything over on this and get this bad boy working. See you on Richard's Home Mechanics next time.